Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a platter out of yew. So we just marked out for the mortise there. And now for the foot. So we've got the camera round position, the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. The first tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just going to flatten off the bottom at the moment. And then we're going to start by taking it round the side. There we go, we're just getting that bowl shape. Cleaning up the sides. Going all the way up to the foot. Taking the last few flat spots off of the side. And there we go. Alright, so now we're on to the bottom now, and we're actually going to make the mortise and the foot. So we're going in with the mid-size detailer here. And the mid-size #1 hollower, just to clean it all out. Flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher. And you have to clean that out and go a little bit deeper, because where you undercut the foot to make it sit on its edges, there's it didn't go deep enough. And there's the detailer, just so it matches the angles of the jaws of the chop. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding now, so this is just 400 grit here with clean spore abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out the grain. Some matte sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. And some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or Axminster Tools if you're in the UK. Links down below. Just wipe it all over until you get a clean paper towel, and after the paper towel comes off clean, you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. Here is some microcrystalline wax from Hampshire Sheen. If you like any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will also be links to them down in the description. Gonna wipe it all over now, make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200, wait for all the solvents to evaporate. And now we're just going to buff it in. Make sure you don't push too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on. Just make sure you build up that heat and wipe it all in. Or buff it all in, I should say. And there we go, that's the outside done. Very nice. Alright, so now we're going to get to the top or the inside. We're going to use the mid-size #1 hollower here to flatten the top off and to do the hollowing. Alright, just clean up that rim there. There we go. Just checking the wall thickness. I'm going to move the tool rest. Alright, once again already done most of the sanding, so we're going back to 400 grit here. Once again, some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Like I said before, just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you'll have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. And finally some Hampshire microcrystalline wax. Making sure to get nice even coverage. And then once again let the solvents evaporate. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. There'll be some pictures at the end. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.
Drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette.